What is a distribution fund? A distribution fund is one that pays the income it earns out to you as cash, rather than reinvesting it. When the shares and bonds inside the fund produce dividends or interest, that money is passed on to you, usually every 3, 6, or 12 months. The units that do this are often labelled income units. A distribution fund is the opposite of an accumulation fund, where the same income is automatically reinvested instead of being paid out. Why does it matter? A distribution fund matters most to investors who want a regular income from their money. Rather than having to sell units whenever they need cash, they simply receive the income the fund produces and spend it as it arrives. Consider someone who is retired and wants their savings to help replace a salary. A distribution fund can hand them a stream of payments through the year, which feels much like being paid, and lets them leave the underlying investment untouched. That steady cash flow can bring real peace of mind. There is a trade-off though. Because the income leaves the fund instead of being reinvested, your money does not compound inside the fund the way an accumulation version would. You receive the cash now, but you give up some of the automatic growth that reinvesting would have produced. For a younger investor with years to go, that lost compounding usually matters more than the convenience of the cash. Here's a simple example. Let's say you hold £10,000 in a distribution fund. Over the first year, the investments it holds earn around £300 in income. In a distribution fund, that £300 is paid into your account as cash, and your holding stays at about £10,000, before any change in market prices. In the second year, because the fund's value has not been topped up by reinvested income, it again earns around £300, which is again paid out. Year after year, you collect the income while the capital stays broadly where it started, rising or falling only with the market. Now, compare the accumulation version of the very same fund. There, that first £300 would be reinvested, lifting the holding to about £10,300, so the second year's income is earned on a larger sum. The underlying investments are identical. The only difference is whether the income comes to you or stays and compounds. Over a long period, the distribution investor has collected a steady stream of cash, while the accumulation investor has a larger pot but has taken nothing out along the way. What else should you know? Because income is paid out rather than rolled up, distribution units are usually priced a little lower than the accumulation units of the same fund. That does not make them worse value, it simply reflects the cash you have already received. Tax still applies. Income paid out by a distribution fund can be taxable if you hold the fund outside a shelter like an individual savings account or a pension, even if you choose to reinvest the cash yourself by hand. It is worth checking how dividend and interest income is taxed in your own situation, since the two can be treated differently. It also helps to think about what you will actually do with the payments. Money that lands in your account but is not spent, and not promptly reinvested, can sit idle and lose ground to inflation. Some investors deliberately choose a distribution fund and then reinvest the cash themselves, so they keep control over where it goes. Choosing between a distribution and an accumulation fund comes down to whether you need income now or would rather let everything compound. Neither removes investment risk, and the value of the fund can still fall as well as rise. To sum it all up, a distribution fund pays the income it earns out to you as cash instead of reinvesting it, making it a natural choice for investors who want a regular income, such as those in retirement. It is the counterpart to an accumulation fund which rolls that income up inside the fund. A distribution fund gives you money to use now but gives up some long-term compounding, and the income can still be taxable outside a shelter. As always, the value of the fund can go down as well as up. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description, don't miss out.